jeans. No, I don't want skinny jeans.
Here, check it out. Center here. Center here.
That look huge.
Stand right there.
Is that recording?
What's gonna hit y'all? It's your boy back again with another video, and in today's video we is doing a unboxing a Christmas tree. And today I got my guest. I got my big sister over here, and I got my little nephew right there, and yo boy is Yaramin back in the building. What we're about to do is open up this tree right here. Thanks to my girlfriend, she got us an all-white tree.
Thank you, Pa.
Thank you. We're gonna be opening this and we're gonna put it together. This is how we as a family gonna put it together. All right, so let's get it. Oh. Is that the top part?
Yeah.
Ooh, dang, this looks heckin' nice.
What brand is this?
That's the top part right here. I don't know. So this is how the tree looks like. Not bad, huh? Yeah, it's all white tree. Okay.
Oh, it comes with light.
What happened? It's heavy?
It was putting it over my hand, and then it was going down.
See?
No, this part is, I think it's the bottom?
Yeah.
Or is this the top?
No,
it's
the bottom.
Huh? This is the bottom part right here.
Is it really heavy?
No, not really. You know what? This is like our first new tree, so everything feels like really crisp and clean and nice. So you get 3 pieces. You get the top piece, middle piece, and the bottom piece right there. And which Twee, that's her name. And this is Darren, by the way. She's putting on the bottom one. Also, she got a YouTube channel too, so follow that one as well. This video might be on that channel too, so don't mind me talking, okay?
Coffee on the Daily by Twee.
You boomer.
You're okay, Boomer.
No boomer.
These things right here.
What are these screws for?
I'm so confused right now.
Oh, these are extra lightweight.
Yeah, what's that? Bam. Connect the dots. Alright. Part 1 is done.
This is the second part.
It's like a sword.
Wait, do this so we can get the.
Whoa, what the?
It's
Because
gonna,
the tree's gonna flare out. It's gonna connect to this one.
okay. You're gonna flare it up. Now this part, we gotta flare it out, whatever that means.
Then we can add this in.
Ooh! Oh, it's like a do-it-yourself type of thing, huh?
It's beautiful.
Let me see that top one
Oh,
there.
that's tight. That's nice.
And it's all white. We always want to have all white tree.
And it's clean. I can't stress that enough. Remember all the other trees it gets kind of like dusty and stuff? But it was nice though. You got like a big ass tree, a small tree.
I'm gonna connect it right now so we can flare it.
Okay.
To flare them from the bottom first. Spread the leaves.
Dun-dun-dun. Jingle bell.
Yes, we have a fake tree. We did have a real tree. This year we did.
Did we?
Yeah, we had a real tree the year before. Oh!
Wrong way. Wrong way. That worked better in my head. Sorry.
Damn, you left him up.
What was that? I was not expecting that.
I was trying to help you put the top. This is our star piece right here. That's pretty cool. Sorry, I keep looking over here because I'm trying to make sure everything is fine. It's called sound effects, bro.
Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful.
Right here.
Oh. Don't mind what I'm doing.
Starting to make it
Here we go. What the? Found a star. We wish Christmas.
This year.
See? We made our own song. We don't need to sing the original songs. What the heck?
wants to
Where are
get
these coming from? Bro! This guy is already decorating it. You looking good? Let me pull this back over. That's looking nice.
like that.
Oh shoot, better.
Not like that.
Oh,
Just misspoken my
broke
name.
off. This piece broke because my sister said to banner. That means to break it off. So I was like, okay.
I meant literally, like flare it.
Literally.
Bẻ ra.
No, how do you say
That's
flare?
gonna cost a lot of money for a flare.
Xẻ ra.
Ew.
Xẻ ra.
That means spread.
Same thing.
Flares like things like people use like a flare. So
Okay, you over there.
yeah, look at me over here.
Cool part about this thing, this tree, is that they don't have those little leaves falling out all the time.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty good, pretty clean. Alright guys, so the tree is already flared out, and now what we're gonna be doing is adding the decorations. Ooh. It's not even Halloween, Halloween passed, but
Plus.
those are what we have. These ones too, and that one too, so they're gonna look extra nice. Oh yeah, by the way, my girlfriend can't be in this video because she has work the next day, so yeah, it's pretty late right now, so just gotta put that in there.
Yeah, it's like 10 o'clock right now. But anywho, look at our stockings. Look, this is so cute. The elf made me do it.
Moment of truth.
Oh, wow, wait a second.
How come this top half is in? Oh, I
You
think
didn't plug it in.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Okay. What the heck was that?
No pictures.
Cool,
No pictures.
cool. All right.
Thumbnail.
All right, everybody get next to it. Thank you very much.
Wait.
Wait, I wasn't even in it. Okay, go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, one more. Let me look at it this way. Okay, cool. Alright, now.
What did you do?
I'm trying to do this.
Alright, guys, there you guys have it. That's the tree. That's the beautiful tree. We did an awesome job on it. We might add some more stuff to it in the future, or maybe later on. I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna start decorating the front too. And yeah, so hopefully you guys have a good Christmas. Happy holidays. Do you guys have anything else to say?
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, Thanksgiving. Ah, my knee just cracked. Yeah, so everybody be safe, keep it breezy, and now, or we'll see y'all in the future. Deuces! Yarami! Oh, let me do that. Let me do that.
all in my.
I messed them up.
Stand here. Just stand here. Don't.
And we'll see y'all in the future. Deuces! Yarami!